Hey everybody, welcome back to Our Family Pantry. Today I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican curry goat. And the ingredients that you'll need for this is some olive oil, scallion, minced garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, a whole onion, thyme, our house seasoning, curry, allspice, some pimento seeds, pepper, and ginger, and a whole potato, and then some goat. And this is your goat right here. We have about a little more than 2 pounds, about 2.5 pounds. And so why don't you come a little closer and I'll show you how to make it. I've already washed the goat with some vinegar and water. And so right now I'm going to add my olive oil. Just gonna go ahead and just pour that in there. Make sure I get enough. Alrighty. Now, I'm gonna add some of my seasonings. I'm gonna add my curry, my house seasoning, my pepper, my allspice, my ginger, and pimento seeds. I'm just gonna go ahead and just pour all that in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my thyme, my bell peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, my scallions, and my garlic. I'm just gonna go ahead and just scoop all that right in there. And lastly, I'm gonna add my onions. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a glove and just mix it in by hand. Mix it in by hand. Make sure it gets all this nice flavor in there. And don't worry about the ingredients and the measurements. I'm going to make sure I add that in the description box below. This smells delicious, man. It looks good, so colorful. Alrighty, that looks good right there. And so what I'm gonna do now, look at that, just look at that, it looks beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let it marinate overnight. And so I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, welcome back. So the goat has been marinating for overnight, so almost 24 hours. And right now, it smells delicious. Take a look at that. It looks beautiful, and I can't wait for this dish to be done with. All right, right now I have a tablespoon of butter in the pot. I'm gonna put it on a medium heat, and we're just gonna let it melt, and I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of oil as well. Just put it all around. There we go. I'm just mixing this all around right now to help it melt a little faster. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna bloom the curry. We love to use the BetaPac curry. It's from Jamaica and it tastes wonderful. And so I'm gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon of curry, a teaspoon of curry, sorry about that. I'm gonna just go ahead and just mix it around. And this just helps bring out the flavor of the curry. We don't want to burn it. And so you just want to make sure you mix it around real nicely. when we do this so it doesn't taste raw. You don't want to have a bad taste of curry in your mouth. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and brown the goat meat. And my mom, she just would take the meat out and leave the seasonings in. And so I'm just doing exactly what my mom would do. She just shake it off, put it in. You know, of course you're gonna have some seasoning on there, but this is how she always did it growing up. And these are the seasonings that I have in here. And the reason why we do it like this is so that the seasonings don't get burnt. And so right now we have our goat in the pot, just searing. I'm gonna go ahead and just cover it. I'm gonna have that on there for about 4 to 5 minutes. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just turn the meat. Now I'm just gonna add my seasonings and water. Okay. I'm just gonna go around the pot. And this is 4 cups of water. That's out of boil. I'm gonna turn it to a medium-low heat. And we'll see in about 30 minutes to check up on it. It's been 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and just give it a little look. There we go, it's looking delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and just stir it around some. Just kind of fold it. All right. Okay. And we'll just go ahead and cover it back up, and we'll be back in another 30 minutes. It's been about 1 hour and 15 minutes. And so I'm gonna go ahead and just give this a little stir, just fold it nice and gentle. And it's looking delicious, it's smelling good. And so I've already gone ahead and taken the Scotch bonnet out because it did burst. Right now, I'm gonna just go ahead and add the potatoes. Okay, let's go ahead and just give that a little stir in here. Let's see if I need, I'm stirring it around just to make sure, to see if I need to add more water. It looks like I will have to. Okay, go ahead, just add that in. About a half a cup. It's about a half a cup of water that I just added in. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure I get that all mixed in there nicely. I'm gonna taste the broth. Let's see how the flavor on this. That's perfect. I don't think I need any more salt. And so at this time, I'm gonna let it come back to a boil, and then Once that happens, I'm gonna bring it down to a simmer so it can cook the potatoes. Okay, it is done. You can see those potatoes are nice and translucent. I'm just gonna go through, slides through like butter. Let's go ahead and turn the stove off. And we're gonna go ahead and plate it up and we'll get back to you. And there you have it, your Jamaican curry goat. This smells delicious, it looks delicious, and why don't you go ahead and give it a try. I promise you won't regret it. Just leave comments, let us know how you like it. Thank you for coming to our family pantry, and we'll see you next time.